Welcome to AI Unraveled, the leading podcast that explores and demystifies frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence. In this episode, we discuss the latest AI trends, including the new probabilistic AI that's aware of its performance, how robots are being equipped to handle fluids, and the incredible AI-powered brain-spine interface that is helping a paralyzed man walk again. We also take a look at how researchers are using AI to identify similar materials through images, and we examine the difference between AI and algorithms. To stay updated on the latest AI trends, make sure to subscribe to AI Unraveled. In today's episode, we'll cover the following topics: scientists using AI to find drugs for resistant infections, AI advancements in material science research, introduction to AWS Certified Machine Learning Specialty, MLSC01, practice exams, combining cortical implants with AI to enable a paralyzed man to walk, AI tools reducing poster designing time for an independent musician, and the distinction between AI and algorithms. Hey there! Do you know how scientists are using artificial intelligence to find a drug that can combat drug-resistant infections? It's pretty fascinating stuff. By leveraging the power of AI, researchers are identifying a potential drug that could have a significant impact on medical treatments and the fight against antibiotic resistance. But that's not all. There's a new form of probabilistic AI that can gauge its own performance levels. This advanced AI system has the potential to improve accuracy and reliability for various applications, which is great news for those who rely on AI. In other news, robotics engineers are currently working on equipping robots with the ability to handle fluids. This development opens up doors for robots to perform more delicate tasks in industries such as healthcare and food service, as well as industrial automation. Oh, and speaking of AI, do you want to expand your knowledge of it? If so, you should check out the book AI Unraveled, Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence. This engaging read answers your burning questions about AI and provides valuable insights into the captivating world of artificial intelligence. You can get your copy on Amazon right now. Hey there, are you curious about how researchers are using AI to identify similar materials in images? Well, they have developed an AI system that can spot different materials in pictures, which could significantly enhance material science research. This means that the AI could help to discover and develop new materials that could be used for a variety of purposes. In the past year, artificial intelligence has progressed shockingly fast, becoming capable of things like designing chatbots and creating fake photos. The leap in capability has come from advances in things like machine learning, which has allowed AI to learn as it goes. Researchers from Duke University and their partners are using machine learning techniques to uncover the atomic mechanics of a broad category of materials under investigation for solid-state batteries in a breakthrough for energy research. In exciting news for healthcare customers, NVIDIA AI is integrating with Microsoft Azure Machine Learning. This could mean that users can build, deploy, and manage customized Azure-based artificial intelligence applications for large language models using more than 100 NVIDIA AI. And finally, the European SustainML project aims to help AI designers reduce power consumption in their applications. They're devising an innovative development framework that will eventually help to reduce the carbon footprint of machine learning. Pretty cool stuff, right? We interrupt our discussion on AI to bring your attention to an invaluable resource for all the AI enthusiasts out there. Are you looking to level up your machine learning skills and maybe earn a six-figure salary? Well, we've got just the thing for you. It's a book you need to have on your radar, and it's called AWS Certified Machine Learning Specialty, MLSC01, Practice Exams. This book is written by Etienne Noumen, who is an experienced engineer and author in the field of data engineering and machine learning engineering. It contains practice exams, quizzes on data engineering, exploratory data analysis, modeling, machine learning implementation, and operations, as well as NLP. all designed to get you prepared for the AWS Machine Learning Specialty, MLSC01, certification. As we know, AWS is a dominant player in the cloud space, and having this certification under your belt can help set you apart in the industry. Even better, this book is available on Amazon, Google, and the Apple Bookstore. So no matter what your preferred platform, you can get your hands on this essential guide. Don't just take our word for it. Get a copy of AWS Certified Machine Learning Specialty, MLSC01, practice exams, and begin your journey towards machine learning mastery and maybe that six-figure salary. Trust us, it's a game changer. Now let's get back to unraveling the fascinating world of AI. So I came across this fascinating research paper in Nature and wanted to share it with you. Have you ever heard of a man who had suffered paralysis for 12 years, but is now able to walk again? Well, the researchers combined cortical implants with an AI system to enable the transmission of brain signals to the spine. This milestone is a breakthrough in the medical field, as previously, medical advances had only demonstrated the reactivation of paralyzed limbs in limited scopes, such as with human hands, legs, and even paralyzed monkeys. What's remarkable about this system is that it converts brain signals into lower body stimuli in real time. This means that the man using the system can now do everyday things like going to bars, climbing stairs, and walking up steep ramps. He's been able to use the system for a full year, and researchers found notable neurological recovery in his general skills to walk, balance, carry weight, and more. What's even more fascinating is that this new AI-powered brain-spine interface helped him recover additional muscle functions, even when the system wasn't directly stimulating his lower body. The researchers used a set of advanced AI algorithms to rapidly calibrate and translate his brain signals into muscle stimuli with 74% accuracy. All of this was done with an average latency of just 1.1 seconds, so it's a pretty seamless system. He can now switch between standing and sitting positions, walk up ramps, move up stair steps, and do so much more. This breakthrough could open up even more pathways to help paralyzed individuals recover functioning motor skills again. Past progress has been promising but limited, and this new AI-powered system demonstrated substantial improvement over previous studies. So where could this go from here? In my opinion, LLMs could power even further gains. As we saw with a prior Nature study where LLMs are able to decode human MRI signals, the power of an LLM to take a fuzzy set of signals and derive clear meaning from it transcends past AI approaches. The ability for powerful LLMs to run on smaller devices could simultaneously add further unlocks. The researchers had to make do with a full-scale laptop running AI algos, but imagine if this could be done in real time on your mobile phone. The possibilities are limitless. Hey there! Let's talk about how AI has improved people's lives in different ways. As a touring musician, who is also an independent artist, there's a lot of work that goes into the back end of things, including graphic design for flyers, posters, merch, and more. While it's something that I enjoy doing, it can be incredibly time-consuming. That's where AI tools have come in handy. With the help of image-to-text AI tools, I've been able to reduce the amount of time I spend designing by 90%. It's not perfect, but it's allowed me to spend more time creating music. I know AI can be scary for some people, but these breakthroughs have given me more of my life back. Speaking of AI innovations, the Microsoft 2023 keynote revealed some really mind-blowing updates. Nadella announced Windows Copilot and Microsoft Fabric, two new products that bring AI assistance to Windows 11 users and data analytics for the era of AI, respectively. This is sure to transform how people work and use technology in their daily lives. But that's not all. Nadella also unveiled Microsoft Places and Microsoft Designer, two new features that leverage AI to create immersive and interactive experiences for users in Microsoft 365 apps. It's amazing to think about how much more personalized and engaging these apps will become. And finally, Nadella announced that Power Platform is getting some exciting new features that will make it even easier for users to create no-code solutions. Power Apps will have a new feature called App Ideas that will allow users to create apps simply by describing what they want in natural language. These innovative features are sure to change the game in terms of how people create and use technology. Pretty exciting stuff, huh? Have you ever wondered what the difference is between AI and algorithms? Although they are both important aspects of computing, they serve different functions and represent different levels of complexity. Let's first talk about algorithms. Basically, an algorithm is like a recipe that a computer follows to complete a task, from basic arithmetic to complex procedures like sorting data. Every piece of software that we use in our daily lives relies on algorithms to function properly. Now, AI, on the other hand, refers to a broad field of computer science that focuses on creating systems capable of tasks that normally require human intelligence. This includes things like learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language understanding. The goal of AI is to create systems that can perform these tasks without human intervention. It's important to note that while AI systems use algorithms as part of their operation, not all algorithms are part of an AI system. For example, a simple sorting algorithm doesn't learn or adapt over time, it just follows a set of instructions. On the other hand, an AI system like a neural network uses complex algorithms to learn from data and improve its performance over time. So, in summary, while all AI uses algorithms, not all algorithms are used in AI. And if you're wondering how we're able to bring you this podcast, we're using the Wondercraft AI platform, which enables us to use hyper-realistic AI voices as your host, like myself. In today's episode, we discussed breakthroughs in creating drugs using AI, advancements in materials science, the introduction of a new book to help with machine learning certification, the exciting news of combining cortical implants with AI to help paralyzed individuals, and how AI is aiding the creation of immersive experiences and no-code features on Microsoft platforms. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to subscribe.